Okay, boys and girls, we're going to use our painted paper today to create an art project. So you remember that we painted backgrounds and then we put a second color on top, and then we used textured tools to roller and draw into it. And what we're going to do today is create a ladybug. And I'm just going to put these just to the side. I'm going to give you a piece of brown construction paper. That's going to be your background, okay? And then I'm going to give you a piece of painted green paper. Now there's the painted paper. Now your brown construction paper is going to be your background. You need to make sure your name is on the back, boys and girls. I'm just going to set that there. My name's on the back. Now with your painted paper, turn it over to the back. And then you're going to get a pencil and you've got a leaf. And with your leaf, you're going to set it on the back. Make sure it fits. If you do it like this, it's going to go over the edges. Okay, so what I like to do is just set it at an angle, and then the leaf actually fits. Put one hand that you don't draw with to make sure that the leaf doesn't move, and go around the shape. Maybe you could ask your shoulder partner to help you. Carefully draw around that shape. And what you're going to do, we've already talked about scissors and how we hold them and how we use them. We're going to cut this leaf out. Now the reason why we draw on the back and not on the painted surface is if I slipped and I made a pencil mark or it moved, you wouldn't see it. And because we've got it on the back. Now if I just show you here, you can see my lines. Now I'm going to get my scissors. I'm going to I'm going to cut it out. And when I've cut it out, I've got my leaf. Turn it round and there it is. Perfect, okay? Now I've got my brown construction paper. I'm just going to set it like that, okay? And it's going to set like an angle, going either that direction or this direction. It's up to you. Now I've got that done. I'm going to now give you some ready orange paper. Same thing. I'd like you to turn it over, and I'm going to give you two circles. One large and one smaller. With the first circle, put it very close to the very edge, okay? And again, with your pencil, trace around that shape, okay? Then I'm going to get the next circle, and I'm going to put it just on top. And it can overlap, and I'm going to go around that edge. And I'm going to get my scissors. Now you can see I've got my two circles. And I'm going to go la 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 la, and I've cut them out. Turn them over, and then I've got these nice red ones. So just imagine I've cut them out. I did mine earlier. So now I'm going to set my circle there. I'm going to set my circle there. So it's the head of my ladybug and the body. Now I'm going to give you some oil pastels, a black oil pastel, okay? And you've used those before to create your ladybug. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw in a line down the middle. I'm going to make sure that these are all stuck down as well. Let me do that first, guys, so it doesn't move, because then I want to draw in my shapes. Just a trick on when you're doing gluing, go around the shape. Always go around the shape so that it doesn't curl up, and then you can do a couple of lines in the middle. I'm going to set him down, and I'm going to do my body, go round the shape, set him down, and then my head. And I'll just make sure it overlaps just a little bit like that. Now I'm also going to give you a couple of googly eyes so that you can put a bit of glue where you want his eyes. Stick them on. And then, just to make sure that that's stuck down, I'll just put some more glue there. There we are. I can give him a little nose. I can give him a nice smile. And ladybugs have dots. So I'm going to draw some dots and fill them in. So I've got the circles. And then we have to remember, how many legs does an insect have? How many legs does an insect have? That's right, they've got 6. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm giving him some toes. 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what do you think we might need to do now? Any ideas? Okay, so what you could do with the remnants that you've got, you could actually cut some more lines, and if you wanted to, you could just add some extra plants and growth up the side. Take a look and see if you like it. If not, boys and girls, what you just need to do is make sure that you've got your name on the back, and there you go. There's your painted ladybug. Now it's your turn. Let's go make some art.